In this video, I will show you how to fix the error 500 internal server error on Windows. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security, then click on Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time. Make sure browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files are selected. Click on Delete Data and wait for it to finish. When it is done, close Google Chrome completely. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator. Click on the Start menu and type CMD. When the command prompt appears, right-click on it and choose Run as administrator. If a permission window shows up, click Yes. Now type the first command ipconfig, flush DNS and press Enter. This command clears the DNS cache on your computer. It removes old or broken network records that can cause server errors. After that, type the next command netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This command resets your network settings and fixes common connection problems between Windows and Internet servers. Once both commands finish, close the command prompt window. Now restart your computer. This step is important so that all network changes are applied correctly. The error should now be resolved. Thanks for watching.